Hello guys! Good morning, good morning. So, andito kami ngayon sa kabundukan ng Canada. Nakikita nyo ba ang ating view guys? Ayan. So beautiful. Ang lalaki niya talaga. Ang laki ng mga mountains dito guys. At si Darrell, nagluluto siya ngayon ng ayan. We're gonna have what we're gonna have, love?
We're gonna have the true English breakfast.
Full English breakfast.
Full English breakfast.
Yes. Ayan. So, nakaluto na yung bacon namin kanina. So, ngayon, mushroom na naman, and ham, and sausages, at marami pang iba. At ayan na yung aming bacon. So, guys, dito muna kami titira. Dahil andito tayo sa kabundukan, kailangan natin ng matitirhan. Kaya, look at that. Hila-hila namin ang aming trailer. Ayan guys, ang aming trailer. Dahil nagluluto. At ayan din yung aming background. Bundok din siya. Which is very beautiful. So guys, ngayon pupunta ako sa loob ng trailer namin kasi isi-show ko sa inyo kung paano magluto ng French toast. Kasi full English breakfast tayo ngayon guys. So French toast guys. So guys, let's start. Crack muna natin yung eggs natin. Mga dalawa yung gamitin natin. Ayan. Sorry guys, not good lighting ngayon kasi nasa loob ako ng trailer at wala kami masyadong good lighting dito. Ayan. And milk guys. Ayan, cinnamon powder. Ayan. I love cinnamon powder. And kunting salt. Ayan. Marami ata yun guys. Mix lang natin guys. Kung nakikita nyo guys, naka-t-shirt pa rin tayo ngayon. Ayan, naka-t-shirt at naka-pajama pa rin kasi nagka-camping naman kami guys. So, okay lang yan. Hi, love.
Hi. Ready to eat, love?
Yup, I'm hungry. So, kakain na tayo guys. Kakain na tayo sa wakas. Lutong-luto ng ating pagkain. Ang ating full English breakfast. Good morning everyone! Welcome ulit sa aming channel at ngayon kakain na naman tayo ng hindi Filipino food ngayon guys, kundi full English breakfast.
Full English breakfast.
Ayan guys.
And we're having a bit of a brunch because
yes,
it's kind of lunchish time, brunchish time.
So, mag-pray muna tayo guys bago tayo mag-umpisa.
Father in heaven, thank you for this wonderful food and this beautiful place we get to have breakfast at. And thank you for this food and bless it to our bodies. In your name.
Amen.
Amen.
Salamat, Ginoo. Dahil full English breakfast tayo guys, hindi tayo magkakamay guys. Ayan. Kape guys. Kape. Hindi mawawala ang kape.
Not be very right. This is a small cup. Okay. So
I'm gonna start guys. Tagal pa si Darrell.
Yeah, start digging
yung
in.
French toast natin.
French toast. Love French toast. Yes, my love.
Thank you, sir.
French toast and look at this.
Ayan.
Wonderful bacon.
Gutom na kami guys.
With that and the sausages, breakfast sausages.
Ayan.
A couple of mushrooms. An egg. You want an egg, my love?
Please and thank you. Ayan. Perfect. The way I cook the eggs is perfect, guys.
It's perfecto.
Yeah, ayan yung ating...
Good beans there too.
Yeah, pork and beans.
Pork and beans.
Ayan.
A little ham. I want some ham in my... Oops, sorry.
Oops.
Ham. Dried ham.
Ang sarap ng coffee, guys. As in...
How do I scoop my hash browns now? Three at a time.
Ang liit na hash brown namin, guys. Yung hash brown, guys, mga potato yan, guys, na ni crispy, ni fried.
Yeah, fried potatoes.
Yes.
Basically, they're just fried potatoes, but they're small, cute little fried potatoes.
Nako-confuse ako, guys. Ang dami naming pagkain ngayon. Nako-confuse ako kung anong uunahin kong kainin. Ayan, guys. Bacon. Ay, nahulog. Kamay na natin, guys. Ayan.
Eat them. Aunt Jemima's. Not that we're sponsored by Aunt Jemima, but we like the syrup.
Ako naman, guys, gusto ko peanut butter sa ating French toast. Ay, ang grabe naman ito. There. Akala ko naman open. Ayan.
I'm gonna try it.
Ayan, guys. Peanut butter sa ating French toast.
Hash browns are good.
Yan, some peanut butter, love?
Maybe on my next one.
Yeah. And then, ayan, guys.
Oh, the egg is perfect, love. You cooked it like
Syrup.
perfectly.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yung egg natin, perfect, guys. Ayan. Sarap.
I love French toast. Somebody cooked French toast perfectly.
That's you.
I don't know who that was.
Yung French toast namin, guys. Oh, sorry. Dagdagan pa natin ng syrup. Good? Kung nakikita nyo, guys, yung background namin is trailer.
Yeah, it's our camper trailer.
Yeah.
Hash browns with a little bit of syrup on them. So good.
Pork and beans is so good. Very good.
Yeah?
Let's try.
How's the bacon?
Try our tomatoes. Tomatoes, guys.
They couldn't turn kind of mushy. I may have cooked them a little bit too long. I don't know.
And then,
Bacon's so good.
Tomatoes is good. Ang sarap ng tomatoes, guys. Fried tomatoes.
I don't exactly know where the history of this breakfast comes from, other than it's English, so probably Britain. But
yeah, but Canadian
we don't
eat
know really
this
much.
too.
Canadians eat it. It's,
Yeah,
it's pretty common kind of American type breakfast.
American, British.
You usually don't
European.
don't have sausage, ham, and bacon all in the same breakfast, but
In Canada.
today we do, and it's
Because
good.
it's full breakfast. Full
Yeah,
English breakfast.
Full breakfast. So good. What was that? Is that a bird?
Yeah.
Crazy loud bird.
It is a bird. Kaya tayo ng sausage. Ayan. Sarap.
It's so good.
Every time na mag-camping kami, guys, this is our kind of food,
Yeah.
except not full English breakfast.
Yeah, usually we'll just have French toast and bacon,
Bacon or pancake.
and hash browns or
Pancake or
pancakes.
sausage.
Yeah, or some eggs.
But there's no pork and beans,
Yeah,
eh?
we don't usually use beans. We don't usually have mushrooms and tomatoes and.
Sarap ng mushroom, guys, as in. I love mushroom.
Yeah.
Ang sarap. Let's try our, guys, itong ham.
Ham is good.
You want the half?
No, I had a big chunk already.
Oh,
I'll
okay.
have some more in a little bit here. But
Oops. Ayun niya maghiwalay, guys. Ayun niya maghiwalay, yan.
there you go.
Thank you.
Trying to help you out there, honeybee.
It's so good. Ang sarap ng natin, guys, English breakfast.
Some raspberry jam on there.
Ang daming mushroom. Ang takaw ko sa mushroom, guys, as in.
Oh, it's more hash browns. Probably won't eat till supper time again.
Supper time.
Probably be a late supper even.
Kasi kung maubos namin to, guys. And today we're gonna go to the sa falls. Punta where
Waterfall?
Yeah, waterfalls. Tapos mag-ano kami, mag-hiking kami, guys, this afternoon.
Oops.
Mahaba-abang lakaran, guys, kaya dapat maubusin natin to, guys, para hindi magutom ba. Ang sarap ng French toast, guys, as in. The French toast with peanut butter, try nyo.
Is that your first one still?
Yeah. How about yours?
I ate 2 already.
Nakadalawa na siya ng French toast. Ang sarap.
Another French toast, hey?
Wow. That's number 3 French toast.
I know,
I made a good French toast. And he cooked it.
She made a good French toast. Can't complain. It's tasty, tasty. Well, that was a wonderful breakfast. Look at that. Cleared the table pretty much completely off. 1 egg left. Hiding there.
Ang dami, guys, as in. So, guys, tapos na tayo sa ating full English breakfast. Busog na ako, busog na tayo, busog na ang tiyan ko. Hopefully, busog na rin kayo. At huwag pagutom dahil health is wealth. Hindi na kami kakain at mamayang hapon. Light supper na lang siguro, hindi ko alam. So, we're gonna say goodbye, guys, and salamat sa panunood.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this kind of content and you like seeing videos of us when we're camping, throw it in the comments. Let us know. And if you enjoyed, push the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and push the notification bell button for our next video. Thank you very much.
Mabuhay.
And God bless. And Mabuhay.
Burping.